Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma's free and paid versions to help you decide which is better for your needs. We'll explore the key differences in features, collaboration capabilities, and project limitations. Understanding these distinctions will empower you to make an informed choice, ensuring you select the most suitable Figma plan for your design workflow and team dynamics, whether you're a solo designer or part of a larger organization. Figma's free tier provides a robust set of core design tools, perfect for individuals or very small teams. You get unlimited files and drafts, but are limited to 3 design files and 3 FigJam files per project. This means you can start many projects, but only actively work on a few at a time. Version history is also limited to 30 days, so keep that in mind for longer-term work. It's a great way to get started and learn the platform. Upgrading to a paid Figma plan unlocks significant advantages, especially for growing teams and complex projects. You'll enjoy unlimited design and FigJam files, eliminating any project limits. Crucially, you get unlimited version history, allowing you to track every change made to your designs. Collaboration is also supercharged with private projects and advanced permissions, ensuring secure and organized teamwork. Professional plans typically start around $15 per editor per month, billed annually, offering substantial value for larger operations. So, which Figma plan is better for you? If you're a solo designer, a student, or working on small personal projects, the free version offers incredible value. However, for professional design teams, agencies, or anyone managing multiple complex projects with extensive collaboration and a need for comprehensive version history, a paid plan is undoubtedly the superior choice. Carefully assess your team's size, project volume, and specific feature requirements to make the best decision for your design journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.